Rome is the capital of Italy. It is a big city. Many people visit it. They love Rome. They come to see the city every year. Rome is very old. It is over 2,000 years old. People call it the Eternal City. This means it will stay special forever. Rome is famous for its history. It has many old buildings. These buildings show how people lived in the past. Rome is also famous for its food. People eat pizza and pasta there. These foods are fresh and tasty. Many people enjoy eating in Rome. Rome is a fun city. It is full of life. You can learn about history. You can also enjoy the food and the sights. Many people dream of going to Rome. It is a place to see, eat, and learn. People always remember their trip to Rome. Rome is in Italy. Italy is in Europe. Europe is a big continent. Rome is in the middle of Italy. The city is also near the sea. Rome has 7 hills. These hills are very old. They make the city look special. Many people like to walk and look at the hills. Rome is a big city. More than 2.8 million people live there. Every year, many visitors come to see the city and its famous places. The weather in Rome is nice. Summer is hot and sunny. Winter is cool and rainy. Spring and autumn are warm and pleasant. Rome is the capital of Italy. A capital is the most important city in a country. Many government offices are in Rome. Rome is busy. The streets are full of cars and buses. People walk a lot, too. It is full of energy and life every day. Rome is very old. It is over 2,000 years old. People call it the Eternal City. This means it will always be important. A long time ago, Rome was the center of the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire was very strong. It was one of the biggest in the world. The Roman Empire started in 27 BC. It lasted for many years. The Romans built roads, cities, and big buildings. These things were very important. The Romans made rules and laws. These laws helped people live better. Many of these ideas are still used in the world today. Rome was home to famous people. Julius Caesar was a leader of Rome. He is still remembered now. His name is known all over the world. Over time, the Roman Empire ended. But Rome stayed important. It became the center of the Catholic Church. The Pope lives in Rome now. Rome's history is long and amazing. You can see its past in the streets. The old buildings tell stories about the life of the Roman people. Rome is like a big museum. It has history everywhere. The streets, the buildings, and the ruins all show how great Rome was in the past. Rome is special because of its history. Many people come to learn about it. It is a city full of stories from a long time ago. Rome has many famous places. These places are old and beautiful. People come from all over the world to visit them and learn. The Colosseum is a big stadium. It is made of stone. A long time ago, people watched games and fights there. Today, visitors love to see it. The Vatican City is inside Rome. It is the smallest country in the world. The Pope lives there. It has big churches and great art. The Roman Forum has old ruins. These ruins are parts of buildings from a long time ago. People worked and traded there in Roman times. The Trevi Fountain is a famous fountain. It is big and beautiful. People throw coins into it and make wishes. It is a happy place to visit. The Pantheon is an old temple. It has a round roof with a big hole in the middle. It is very strong and has been used for over 2,000 years. These places tell the story of Rome's past. They show the art, history, and life of the people. Many visitors love to see them. Rome is like a history book. You can walk in the streets and see old buildings. These places help people learn about the past. The famous places in Rome are special. They bring history to life. Visiting them is a great way to see how amazing Rome is. Rome has very good food. Many people love to eat in Rome. The food is fresh and simple. It is also very tasty. Rome is famous for pasta. Two popular kinds are carbonara and amatriciana. Carbonara has eggs, cheese, and bacon. Amatriciana has tomato sauce and bacon. Pizza is also popular in Rome. Roman pizza is thin and crispy. People eat it with cheese, tomatoes, or vegetables. It is fresh and delicious. Gelato is Italian ice cream. It is cold and sweet. Gelato comes in many flavors. Some are chocolate, vanilla, and fruit. Many people love gelato. Fresh food is important in Rome. Romans eat fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and bread. The food is simple, but very tasty and healthy. Eating in Rome is fun. There are many restaurants, cafes, and food shops. People enjoy the food and the friendly places to eat in the city. Rome is full of culture. It is a busy city. People live, work, and walk in its streets. Cars, buses, and scooters fill the roads every day. Rome is famous for art. You can see statues and paintings everywhere. Old buildings in the city are also works of art. Music is important in Rome. People play music in the streets. There are concerts in big places. Art and music make the city very special. Religion is very important in Rome. Many people are Catholic. The Vatican City is the home of the Pope. People visit churches to pray. Rome is a mix of old and new. You can see history in its streets. At the same time, the city is full of life and energy. Life in Rome is exciting. Art, music, and religion make it special. People come to learn and enjoy. The culture of Rome is rich and happy. Rome is a city full of surprises. It is called the Eternal City. This name means it will always be special and never lose its importance. Rome is built on 7 hills. These hills are old and special. They give the city a unique shape and are part of its history. The Vatican City is in Rome. It is the smallest country in the world. It is famous for its churches, art, and for being the home of the Pope. Rome has about 280 fountains. The most famous one is the Trevi Fountain. Many people throw coins in it to make wishes and dream of coming back. Rome has many churches. There are about 900 of them. These churches are beautiful and full of history. They are important to the people of Rome. Rome is fun and amazing. Every fact about the city shows how special it is. People love learning these fun facts and visiting this great city. Rome is a great place to visit. Many people come every year to see the city. They love its history, food, and beautiful places. The best time to visit Rome is spring or autumn. Spring is warm and sunny. Autumn is cool and nice. Summer is hot, and winter is often rainy. Rome is easy to explore. Many people walk to see the city. There are also buses, trains, and taxis. Some people even ride scooters in Rome. There are many things to do in Rome. You can visit the Colosseum and the Vatican City. These places are full of art and history. People love to eat pizza, pasta, and gelato in Rome. The food is fresh and tasty. Eating in Rome is fun and a big part of the trip. Walking in Rome is amazing. You can see old streets and statues. Taking pictures of the buildings and fountains is fun for many visitors. Visiting Rome is special. It is a city full of life, art, and history. Many people dream of seeing it and always remember their trip. Rome has something for everyone. You can learn, eat, and explore. A trip to Rome is fun, exciting, and full of great memories. Rome is a city to love. Its sights, food, and history make it unforgettable. Visiting Rome is a dream for many people around the world. Rome is a special city. It is very old and full of history. The buildings and streets tell stories from a long time ago. Rome is also fun and exciting. You can visit famous places like the Colosseum and the Vatican City. These places show history and art. The food in Rome is fresh and tasty. Many people love pizza, pasta, and gelato. Eating in Rome is a big part of the experience. Rome is called the Eternal City. This means it will always be special. It is a city that people dream of visiting one day. Many people love Rome. They visit to see its history, art, and life. Rome is full of culture and beauty. It is a place to enjoy. Rome is a city to remember forever. Its old buildings, great food, and rich history make it amazing. Rome is truly unforgettable.